Hello! I'm sitting here with Spike Milligan. Do you like him? He's my best friend now. This statue, they spent ages and ages, the Finchley Society spent ages and ages trying to save the money for it. It's Joan Somerville, 2014. But they were short of money. They didn't get the whole amount of the money, but they decided to put it up anyway because they didn't want to really spend any more time. But it's been ready apparently for a few years. You can see this is Spike Milligan. It's very tactile, so this is the nearest I'm going to get because obviously poor Spike Milligan isn't with us anymore. But there's look, a little fairy with a little Goon Show book there, and I think there's the rest of the goons here, and an elephant because, yeah, and an elephant, look, the elephant, because Spike was obviously born in India. He had an Irish passport, he lived in Finchley, which is England, so he got around a bit. So this is fun, isn't it? It actually got opened on Thursday and there were lots of people. There was Terry Gilliam and lots of other people, and some people I know here came to actually see this unveiled. Unfortunately, I thought it was on Sunday, which is tomorrow, which is today is Saturday, and last Thursday was Thursday, so I didn't get to see it, which I'm a little bit disappointed about, but never mind, I can see it now. Look at it. So yeah, I can come and see it anytime I like because it's within walkable distance of my house. Yay! I'm going to go walk back to my house now then. Bye bye.